Welcome back, I'm Vanessa and I'm happy that you're here because today I like to show you a special German park and a lot of outfits. But before we start, you should follow this channel if you aren't already a subscriber and ring the bell to get all the new updates. If you like to get even more videos of me, you should watch my German videos, purglam.tv/German, or you should also follow me on Instagram, vanessa.pur, to follow my Instagram stories. The park I like to show you is right in the middle of Germany, and it's a combination of park, hotel and resort. So it's actually an English park, so if you take a look, it's so beautiful. So this park was perfect for fashion photos, and that's why you see my red trousers again. Some of you love them so much. And I will show you two different styles, one elegant style and one cozy style.
Stepping out, it's Friday night. How I'm longing for this day. Yes, I'm single, oh, we want to mingle, and my friends are on the way. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, whoa. I got that good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, whoa.
And this location is also so perfect just to eat a cake, for example. It's so delicious. Or in the evening, going to dinner, so perfect. They call it Pferdestall, and it's so nice and friendly. And a perfect example if you want to go to dinner or having an event at this location is a black dress. And I will show you my favorite black dress and a special pantyhose. So just take a look.
I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Oh, that smile makes me tripping out. I wanna dance with you tonight. Yeah, you close to me, feeling good. I believe I gotta have you in my life. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, I got this good old times. You want to spend some time.
And I also tried the special Ayurveda dinner because they have a whole Ayurveda segment in the hotel, and I really enjoyed it. Time for the final look for today. I will show you a typical leather pants look with a special top from Naked, and also played a little bit with my drone again because I loved it so much.
She's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. She's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Can live without.
So I hope you liked the video and the fashion looks. Please leave a comment if you like to, and subscribe to my channel, and we will see us on Instagram stories and on the next video. So bye bye, tschüss.
Time after time after time, I'm wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause